In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all pop-ups. Then use this red button at the bottom to start recording. Hit Allow. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on the left one. To add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top. And to end it and save it, click on this one on the right at the bottom. Name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to, you can click on it to play it and then manage all of those options at the bottom. You can also hold it and operate all of those, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!